Hello everyone, hope you are fit and healthy. I wish you health and wellness. Myself Komal Kaur Sethi representing Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Children, today chapter 2 naming words. Children, what are naming words? Naming words tell us names of person, places, animal and things. Naming words are also called as nouns, N-O-U-N-S, nouns. So, names like Sita, Geeta, baby, chair, table, these all are naming words. Okay, naming words are of two types, common names and special names. First, we will learn common names. Common names tell us names of person, places and thing in general like boy, girl, teacher, book, table, city. These all are common names. Now we will learn about special names. Special name is also called as proper names. Okay, it tells us special names of person, places, animals like I am your teacher. Teacher is a common noun, but my name is Komal and I am your English teacher. For me, the special name is Komal. For you, you also have your special name. Like everybody has some special name that help us to identify that person. So children, common name begins with small letter, special names begin with capital letter. Special names also include days of the week, months of the year and many important days like festivals, Independence Day, Republic Day. These all are special names. Okay, now we will revise our book work. Okay kids? First, we will revise question A, page 4. Question A, here are the pictures of some animals. Choose the correct naming word from the strip, write it below each part. So, what you have to do, you have given pictures of animals and strip is also given. You have to choose the correct naming word for the animal. Okay. Now, question B, on the same page, tick the boxes beside the correct word. Children, आपको क्या करना है? What you have to do here? You have to tick the correct name of the persons are given in the option and question is given about them. You have to choose the correct person and tick on the box in front of it. Okay? Let us see question 1. Who dances on stage? Who dances on stage? Let us see the options. A cook? No. Cook? Cooks are served tasty food. A dancer? Yes. Dancer dances on stage. So, the correct answer is dancer. Tick here. Okay. Now, question 2. Who mends are broken shoes? Options are a doctor? No. A tailor? No. Tailor stitches our clothes. A cobbler? Yes. Cobbler mends our broken shoes. So, tick here. Okay. Now, number 3. Who looks after the sick people? A cobbler? No, we have learned that cobbler mends our shoes. A tailor stitches our clothes. Teacher teaches you. Nurse look after the sick people. So, tick here. Next, number 5. Who looks after the plants in a garden? Who looks after the plants in a garden? A gardener. Gardener looks after the plants in a garden. He takes care of them. Okay. Put the tick here. Okay. Now, we will see question C. The names of a few people, the names of a few places are given in column B. In column A are the names of some people and what they do in those places. Match the two columns. So, आपको क्या करना है? आपको two columns दे रखे हैं, column A and column B. Column A में है names of some people and column B में है what they do in those places. Okay. So, you have to match with the correct answer. Let us see. Question C, page 5. You have given two columns, column A and column B. Column A has name of person and column B the places where they work. So let us see. First, number 2, the king sit in his. Options are the library. We read books in library. So this is wrong. Then C is palace. King lives in palace. So we'll match it with C. You have to write number 2 here. Okay. Then the number 4, the farmer works in the library. No, librarian works in library. Palace, it is already done that king lives in palace. The post office, postmen work in post office. So the field, the correct answer is the field. The farmer works in the field. Match question 4 with E. Now we will do question D. Look at the pictures, then fill in the blanks with correct naming words. So what you have given, pictures are given to you. It is on this same page beta, page number 5. Naming words are given to you and you have to write it in the correct places. Look at the picture. A picture of monkey is given and banana is given. Let us read sentence. A dash is eating a dash. So who is eating? Monkey, right? M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. And what is he eating? Monkey is eating banana. So write B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. Next, number 3. A lion. You can see the picture. Which picture is this? Whose picture is this? A lion. So a dash is sitting outside its den. So who is sitting? A lion is sitting outside its den. Lion lives in den. So write den here, D-E-N, den. Now we will move to question E. Okay. Question E, page number 6. Complete the sentences. Fill in the blank with suitable naming words. So children, you have given naming words. Let's read the naming words first. Soap, camera, pillow, watch and pencil. You have to choose the correct naming word and complete the sentence. Let's start. First, I want a dash to click photographs. Options are soap, camera, pillow, watch, pencil. So what you need to click the photographs? How you take your photographs? With help of camera, right? C-A-M-E-R-A, camera. Okay. Now number 2, I need dash to wash my dirty face. How you clean your dirty face? Options are given: soap, camera, pillow, watch, pencil. So we wash our dirty face with help of soap. S-O-A-P, soap. Then number 3, please teach me to tell the time in a dash. So children, where you look for time? Options are soap, camera, pillow, watch and pencil. You look at soap? No. You look at camera? No. You look at watch. Where you look? You look at watch. So we will write watch here. W-A-T-C-H, watch. Then number 5, I want to sleep. Please give me dash. Okay, our options are soap, camera, pillow, watch and pencil. Where you sleep? On bed. What is there on the bed? You put your head on pillow. Okay, so write pillow here. P-I-L-L-O-W, pillow. Okay, now we will revise question F. Look at the string of letters given below. There are some naming words hidden in it. Circle the words, write them in the blanks under the correct picture. Children, what you have to do here, pictures are given and a strip of words are given to you. You have to find the hidden word, okay? We will revise question H. Turn to page number 8, okay? Question H. Circle the special names. Write them on the lines below. Remember to begin each special name with a capital letter. So, what is the rule for special name? That it begins with a capital letter. So, what you have to do in the question? You have to circle the special name and write it in the capital letter. Okay? Let's start. First, we will read all the names. Pan, pan is a common name. Dog, dog is a common name. Pencil, pencil is also a general thing, so it is a common name. Then Sachin, Sachin is a name of a person, so we will circle it, okay. Then name, name is a general thing. Dave, Dave is a name of a person, Dave is a name of a boy, we will circle it. Monday, Monday is day of the week, so we will circle it. Then America, America is the name of a country, circle it. Bed, bed is a general name, it is a common name. Then Diwali, Diwali is a festival, it is a festival of Hindus, so circle it, okay. Now what we have to do, we have to write all the special name with capital letter. So Sachin, it begins with capital letter S-A-C-H-I-N, Sachin. Then Dev, D-E-V, Dev. Monday, M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. Then America, A-M-E-R-I-C-A, America. Then Diwali, D-I-W-A-L-I, Diwali. These all are special names. It begins with capital letter. Okay. Now we will see question I. On page number 9. Complete the crossword with the names of things you find in a classroom. The picture clues will help you. So children, in this question you have to look at the picture and fill the boxes of crossword. This zigzag thing is called as crossword, okay? Now we will revise copy work of this chapter. Question, underline the naming words. Number 1, a sheep gives us wool. Children, what is the naming word here? Sheep. Sheep is the name of an animal, and wool. Wool is a thing we get from sheep. Number 2, the girl has lovely eyes. Here in this, girl and eyes are naming words. My father is a doctor. In this, father and doctor are naming words. The rabbit eats carrot. In the sentence, rabbit and carrot are naming words. My sister wears a blue dress. In the sentence, sister and dress are naming words. So children, naming words tell us name of person, place, animal and thing. Hope you understood this. Thank you.